Hello, I'm Botha. I was recently asked this question. What recourse exists if a partner knowingly infected someone with HIV? This is a deeply sensitive issue, and it must be approached carefully, both legally and ethically. In South Africa, there's no specific statute that criminalizes HIV transmission. However, that doesn't mean there's no legal recourse. If a partner knowingly fails to disclose their HIV positive status and infects another person, criminal charges may be possible under common law offences such as assault or, in extreme cases, attempted murder. These cases are complex. The prosecution must prove knowledge of status, non-disclosure, intentional negligence, and causation, which is why criminal prosecutions are relatively rare. In State versus Congo, a former SANDF member was convicted of attempted murder and rape for failing to disclose his HIV status to his former partner and thereby infecting her with HIV. This was a private prosecution, however, after the state declined to prosecute. In Piri versus the state, the accused was found guilty of attempted murder and sentenced to 6 years imprisonment. He knew his status and he had unprotected sex with his HIV-negative partner. The decision was upheld on appeal. More commonly, though, victims pursue civil claims for damages. A person may sue under the law of delict if they could show that their partner acted wrongfully by failing to disclose their status and that this caused physical, emotional, and/or financial harm. Claims may include things like medical expenses, psychological trauma, and loss of income. South Africa has limited reported case law specifically dealing with HIV transmission between partners, which means each matter is highly fact-specific and must be assessed carefully. Our law seeks to kind of strike a balance between holding individuals accountable for intentional harm while also avoiding the stigma that discourages testing and treatment. If you believe that you've been infected knowingly, seek urgent medical attention, report it to a member of the SAPS, and obtain specialized legal advice. Support organizations can assist both legally and emotionally. You're not alone, and the law does provide pathways to justice.